Cedric on the beat.
Hi guys, how's everybody doing? Yes, I'm already back with another one. What else a girl has to do when a pandemic snatches her job away? Let me get a little bit closer. Some of you guys might think, what is she doing? She just started this thing and she's already barefaced in front of the camera showing it to the world. And a lot of people have been asking me, what do I put on my face? What kind of food do I eat? I'm gonna stop it right there. Well, today is the day I have sort of an answer for you. But seriously guys, I don't do anything. I'm vegan, first of all, so that really helps. I drink a lot of water. On top of that, I'm on an alkaline diet, so that's something over the veganism. That's a conversation you guys are not ready to have. So I'm gonna walk you through a little concoction that I make. I'm not gonna show you my entire skincare routine because we're gonna be here forever. I'm gonna show you what do I put in my face mask. It's all natural ingredient. You see that? Ingredient. 4 ingredients that were thousands of what they put usually in brand name face masks. And I swear guys, it does do something to your face. No joke. Alright guys, let me walk you through my skincare. My favorite part to do. We're gonna need plastic gloves. A little mixture. It's pretty thick right now. I took it out of the fridge maybe 5 minutes ago. Let's do this. I usually wear no clothes when I do this, but I couldn't do that today. Don't make too many people happy. Alright, sorry, I'm looking at myself at the same time. So I'm gonna start with a little bit on my cheeks. I'm gonna use the glove after, so it's not all useless. My dog hates when I do the face mask because to him I'm someone else. Apparently he doesn't recognize me. A little bit on the forehead. I need a mirror like in the back of my phone so I can watch what I'm doing instead of putting my long mirror in the back of my ring light. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, there you go. I can see myself. Here's the forehead. What do I look like? Do I look crazy? Well, you're not supposed to look pretty doing a face mask. You know, it's supposed to look pretty after the face mask. But I feel like this knife works better than the glove. Yeah, you gotta get those. On appelle ça des poches en yeux in Quebecer. I'm making a mess. You gotta put a towel on the floor also. That way you don't have too much cleaning to do after. I want to bend so bad and look under my mirror. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I can't see shit. But it looks like my face ain't covered. Boom, chaka-laka, chaka-laka, chaka-laka. This works, yo. Shout out to the Schwarzkopf Academy for handing me those cups. They're espresso cups. I guess I don't drink that. So I do not know what's going on. Look at this. Almost like a work of art. Sorry, excuse my accent. look like Jim Carrey in The Mask. Y'all remember that movie? That's how I feel like I look like. Okay, I gotta keep some for the other parts of my body. I usually put it like under my armpits, my bikini zone, and my face, you know, because those are sensitive parts of your body. The skin in those areas are very sensitive. You gotta take care of it too, right? And mostly when you're waxing and shaving and putting those chemical creams remover, yeah, you gotta treat those parts. Me voila, I'll be back in a bit. All right, here I am, fully masked up. My dog hates me right now. I'll show you guys after. But you usually keep this for 20 to 30 minutes. It's been 2 minutes in, so I'll come back to show you guys the drying process. I just wanted to show you guys, this is 10 minutes in the process. I also added some my armpits, you know, because they need love too. My lips can barely move, but that's nothing compared to what's coming from me. See you in a bit.
20 minutes later.
It's drying. It's getting there. I can still move anything. I can feel it working, you know, like absorbing something, you know. Feels good. My armpit's taking a little bit longer because, you know, they're covered. So see you in a bit. Okay, we're 30 minutes in. I'm dried up. I can't take this anymore. But I want to show you my dog. How he hates this. Scotch, come here. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll come to you with the results. Alright, I just wanted to show you my bare face before I go dress. My face feels smooth. It looks smooth. I feel refreshed. I usually have oily skin. Now my face feels kind of dry. I'm not done. I didn't put cream or moisturize it or anything. So I'm about to go do that. And I'll come back with a nicer skin. Let's see what I have here. Here we have the tea tree oil. Then we have some good old-fashioned activated charcoal. We have some diatomaceous earth clay. Up next we have the bentonite clay powder. And my favorite one of them all, good old sea moss. It's 1 tablespoon for each one of the powder. Bentonite clay has the potential to absorb oil from your skin and prevent mild form of acne. Usually one of the first ingredient for cream lightening. So go easy on that, guys. Some diatomaceous earth powder. It took me forever to learn that word. What are the benefits of that? Growth of our hair and nails. It has a lot of benefits for our digestive system. It also promotes our skin health. Well, it removes unwanted dead skin cells. I'm not a dermatologist, so I'm not going to give you too much details on that. If you want to know about it, go talk to your doctor. Just know that it can cause dryness and irritation, so don't forget to moisturize. And when it comes to the activated charcoal, some of you may already be familiar with that. So you may know that it cleanses the skin, unclogs your pores, it removes deeper impurities and dense skin cells. Basically, it leaves you with a smooth and even toned skin. And now my favorite of them all, sea moss. So So sea moss contains 92 of the 102 minerals that the body requires to function, right? It's rich in calcium, natural silica, and selenium. I won't lie, I don't know what are the last two, but sea moss has that. So basically, you can take the sea moss and turn it into goo or into a substance. That substance protects the skin by promoting cell growth. A lot of beauty brands incorporate sea moss in their lotions. Tea tree oil is like the most popular choice to treat acne. Why? Because it's anti-inflammatory. It calms redness, inflammation, leaving your skin smooth and beautiful. Apparently, it helps reduce acne scars, so that's a good one to have in there. I mean, how powerful is my concoction? I should get paid for this. Anyways, guys, all that to say that the right face mask can help you hydrate your skin, remove excess oils. It can even improve the appearance of your pores. That deep. But obviously, they're not magical. The health of your skin depends way more on how you care for it every day, which means sticking to a good cleansing routine and staying hydrated. But they definitely provide a boost to your routine. So try that. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, or all the above. It's up to you. In the meantime, I'll be back soon with another one. Stay hydrated, stay moisturized. I'll see you next time.